Hi guys, and welcome back to Simply Forex, the channel dedicated to you, the trader. We want you to be successful in the markets. So guys, I'm going to give you some gold every day. I'm going to let you know which currency pairs I'm looking to trade and which direction. And I'm also going to let you know which news that you must be aware of. If you like these vids, then please subscribe to the channel and like and share. So let's take a look at the chart and what I'm potentially going to trade today. Good morning, traders. It is the 11th of January already. Where does the time go? And it is a Tuesday. If I sound a little bit bunged up this morning, guys, I apologize. I've got a slightly stuffy nose. We've got three trade ideas for today, guys. So the first one is this. This is the euro against the US dollar. We've been trying to buy this since yesterday. Okay, so as you can see, 2 days ago, we had a very bullish candle form. And then yesterday, we had price reject these lows. Okay, so I still think price wants to push up. And I think we can reach this blue line here of 1378. And we can leave some money on the trade and even take it up to this other blue line here at 1497. But it might take a few days to reach that target. Let's look at H1 for execution. So guys, yeah, we've got the two grey zones. First of all, what we want to see is price retrace into this grey zone, and then we want to see a reaction, and that reaction will be a bullish candlestick pattern. Okay, and then we can take price back up to these highs here. Okay, and then we can leave some money on the trade and take it up to one of our blue lines. Okay, if that doesn't happen, price might retrace all the way back down to this grey zone, which it did yesterday. Okay, but again, we're looking for a bullish candlestick pattern, and we can take price back up to these highs first of all, and then we can leave some money on the trade and take it up to one of our blue lines, one of our daily targets. Okay guys, so that's the euro against the US dollar. We're looking to long this market, looking to buy. The next one, guys, is this. This is the Swiss franc against the Japanese yen. As you can see, yesterday we had a very bearish candle form. So I still think we have a little bit of room to the downside. It doesn't look like we have much room, but currently that is still 40 pips. Okay, so I think we can get down to the psychological level of 124.02. Let's look at H1 for execution. Yeah, so guys, what we need is quite a large retrace here. So yeah, we need price to retrace up into this grey zone, and then we want to see a bearish candlestick pattern, and then we can take price back down to these lows here. Okay, what might happen, guys, is price won't retrace this far, and what you might see is, let's say, a candlestick pattern form here, and then we can take price back down to this low and trade it that way instead. Okay, all right guys, but we are looking to short this market. So the Swiss franc against the Japanese yen short, we are selling. The last trade idea for today, guys, is this. This is the Aussie dollar against the Canadian dollar. We've also been shorting this from yesterday as well. Okay, so as you can see, 2 days ago we had a bearish candle, and then yesterday we had price come up into our grey zone and reject it. Okay, so I still think we can push price down, first of all to this blue line at 9053, and then even potentially this last daily low. Okay, but again, it probably won't do that in one day. Let's look at H1 for execution. Okay, so as you can see, guys, price has already gotten into this, retraced into this grey zone, and currently we're seeing quite a bearish candle form. Okay, so this could be one of our entries. Okay, but remember, we still need at least a risk to reward of 1:1. Okay, so we want to take price back down to these lows here, guys. okay, first of all, and then we can leave some money on the trade and take it back down to one of our blue lines. If price doesn't do that, it might retrace all the way up into this grey zone, okay? But again, we're looking for a bearish candlestick pattern, and then we can take price back down to these lows here, guys. All right, and again, leave some money on the trade and take it back down to one of our blue lines, one of our daily targets. Okay, so Aussie dollar against the Canadian dollar, we are shorting this market. All right, so they're the three trade ideas for today, guys. Let's take a look at the crazy world of news. Before I start the news, guys, if you're enjoying this daily morning analysis and would like to receive it every single morning, Monday to Friday, then please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification button, and then you won't miss a single one. All right, guys, so go ahead and do that. So the news, so overnight, as you can see, at 12:30 GMT, we had some 3-star rating coming out of Australia. And as you can see, the actual result was far better than the forecasted result. So this should give the Australian dollar some strength. All right. But that's been and gone. The news we're interested in today is, first of all, this one. So at 10:20 GMT, the head of the European Central Bank is speaking, Lagarde. Okay, so when she speaks, she can really move the euro. So we must be aware of this if we're in any euro trade. Later on, we also have the head of the Fed. Powell is speaking as well. He's testifying. So again, this can really move any US dollar pair. All right, and he's talking at 3 o'clock GMT, so keep an eye out for this one as well. And then last of all, at 5 o'clock GMT, coming out of the US, we have the energy outlook. All right, so yeah, this can also move markets as well. Okay, guys, so yeah, if you've enjoyed this vid, please subscribe, like, and share with some of your trader friends. And I hope you have a fantastic, amazing trading day, and I will see you tomorrow.